Guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be doing another Halloween set. So you'll see there I'm using the Madam Glam's Cupid. So this is my favourite gel polish at the minute for nail beds, and that is exactly what I'm going to be doing on this nail. So when I'm doing a gel polish nail bed, I apply the bulk of the product with the brush out of the bottle, and then I'm going to go in with my detailer brush, which is what I'm doing here, and I'm just going to crisp them edges up and get it the right shape. Then once I'm happy with that, I shall cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. I just want to say as well, guys, all the products I'm going to be using today, apart from the foil glue gel, I'm going to be using all Madam Glam products. So you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is a 30% discount code for you guys to use. So if you want to use that discount code, you'll find the link to Madam Glam's website in my description box below. Then at checkout, enter GG30, and that way you'll save yourself 30% off. So now we're on to the pinky nail, and I'm going to do the exact same as what I've just done on the pointer finger. I'm going to use the Madam Glam's white gel paint. See, I've not got Madam Glam's black or white gel polish, so I thought I'd use the white gel paint for this, just so I could keep it all Madam Glam products, you know. And look how opaque that gel paint is, guys. Because it's not really thick, it's really nice to work with as a gel polish as well. So I've done a full nail there, and now I'm going to be painting the free edge of these two nails as well. Now I'm using the Madam Glam's black gel paint, and like I said earlier, I haven't got the Madam Glam's black gel polish, so again I thought I'd use the gel paint to do a full nail and use it as a gel polish. And again, look how opaque that is, guys. One coat on a clear tip, it's crazy. You'll see in the background there I've popped some red gel polish on my palette, and I'm just using my detailer brush to go around that smile line, and I want this to look like blood drips. So I probably really should have used my dotting tool here to do these, to do the actual drip bit, but they turned out looking alright. So when I do drips, I start off by doing the bottom of the drip first, then you'll see I'll do a line going all the way up, and then where that drip meets the top, you want that to be kind of arched, so it looks like it's glooping downwards. If you leave it kind of squared off like that, it doesn't look realistic. You need to kind of, you'll see in a minute what I'll do, like I'll arch it. Give it a kind of arch effect. Like, yeah, like here, look. Kind of arch it. And there. Arch it. There we go. That's what I mean by when I say arch it. And then once I'm happy with those drips, I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Now I've got the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat, my favourite matte top coat. Really, really nice product this is. My favourite matte top coat of all time. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And now on this white nail, I'm going to be applying a coat of the Makartt foil glue gel. Now with this foil glue gel, you want to make sure you get this even and you don't want to miss any of the nail, because if you miss any of that nail, your foil's not going to stick. So just spend that little bit extra time making sure that you're covering the whole of the nail and you're getting a nice even layer. Now it does say to cure this for 30 seconds, but in my lamp I find 45 seconds is better. So once I'm happy with that, I shall cure it for 45 seconds. So I've pulled out this Louis Vuitton foil. Now I've heard a lot of people struggle with this foil. Apparently it doesn't transfer very well, but I found it transferred perfect. I was really happy with it. There was a tiny bit on the right hand edge that I wasn't happy with, but I just went in and tidied it up with some black gel paint and it looks perfect. You'll see at the end, guys, it looks, yeah, you wouldn't even notice. But you can see how well that's stuck to that Makartt foil glue gel. It's stuck really, really well. So when I apply that, I try and apply it down the middle first and then stretch it out at the edges. And then give it a rub and pull it off. Job's a good one. Now we're back to this black matte nail. And I'm going to be painting the screen mask. And again, I'm using the Madam Glam's white gel paint.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. Said we could meet it when it's that.
So once I've filled all that in, I've cured it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with the Madam Glam's black gel paint. And I'm just using my small dotting tool to create the eyes and the mouth. And then I shall use my fine detailer brush to create the nose. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. And now I'm using these red Louis Vuitton stickers. And I'm just going to dot these about anywhere. I just wanted to tie it in with the Louis Vuitton design. So I thought, why not? why not fill the mask with Louis Vuitton symbols?
I'm dropping you text now. You said you want me when it's that.
So now I'm using the Madam Glam's shiny top coat. And I'm going to apply a nice generous layer on this nail because I want to stick some crystals into that top coat.
Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
Now I'm going in with the Madam Glam's shiny top coat on this nail, and I'm just going to apply 2 crystals in the middle of that cuticle area. And you'll see I've put these quite low down, and there is a reason for that. The reason is I want to take some pictures of these nails on my practice hand, and they obviously need to go into the cuticle well. So I was just making room for them to slide into that cuticle well. Also with these, I am again applying a nice generous layer because they are a tiny bit lumpy bumpy from where the blood drips are. And again with this one as well, a nice generous layer just to make sure there's no lumpy bumpiness from the stickers. But these stickers are really, really thin. You don't even know you've got them on, to be honest. If you apply a nice generous layer, you can't feel them at all. So then I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds. And that is them all done, guys. What do you think? I think they're really cool. Really cool. I love the shape of them tips. Really, really like the shape of them. Another thing I want to tell you guys as well, for the 3rd year running now, Madam Glam has partnered up with survivingbreastcancer.org to support and raise funds. So they've created a special Think Pink collection of gel polishes, and for every shade of pink colour sold from that collection, Madam Glam's going to donate $1 towards survivingbreastcancer.org. So yeah, just bear that in mind, guys, if you are placing an order. So that is everything for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.